What with the hen? Oh,
going
you're
full
giving me a
Catboy,
treat
bro.
for my hard work.
This is bullshit. He does not deserve that. I said it.
He's a real Catboy.
Dill should get it. I said it. Dill is the one that's like self-conscious at the moment about things. Not him. It should have been me, not him.
That's it. Behind the ear.
Oh, do me.
There you go. Vanta?
What?
Oh gosh, that's one is hard.
Vanta? You agreed to this. Zally, don't talk at all. Nothing from now on. Not until he says it.
All right.
Meow. There you go. You happy now? There you go. Are you satisfied? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you satisfied?
You did it.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving the chat. I'm done. Goodbye.
Oh my god.
Vanta,
He
Vanta,
left.
you actually left.
Honestly, I don't know if I'd be able to do that.
Oh my god. Vantacrow Bringer just saved my life. He pushed me he pushed me to the side to save me. He pulled like Piccolo like going in front of Gohan to save him from the from like the blast or whatever it's called. Vanta just saved my life.
It was the best timing ever.
Oh my god. That could have been me. But he took the bullet for my sake. That's insane.
Honestly, I'm sure this character will have way more to offer to the next scene as well. I don't think you can escape it. Oh,
Welcome back, Vanta.
welcome back. You did great, Venta.
Right, Vanta? Oh, sorry. I forgot one part. Meow.
You know,
Right,
somehow I thought we would somehow not end up as Chris today. But somehow we fucking found a way. We found a way. I thought we were gonna go off the beaten path and not follow the fucking usual arc that we follow.
But I did it because I didn't want you to have the burden as well. I did it too. Now Zally's gonna do it too. Zally, do it.
I'm crying. What?
I did it. Venta did it. I did it. Now you gotta do it. We're totally doing it.
What?
Not to make fun of him, but to make him feel
I see.
solidarity.
Okay,
Exactly.
okay, you did it, but did you do it seriously?
Yeah. Okay, I'll do it seriously. Oh my god! Sorry. Solidarity. We are KRISIS. Not Chris. Meow. I can't do purring. There you go, Venta. I did it seriously.
Oh god.
Are you happy, Venta?
Yeah.
Now Zally, it's your turn.
All right, let's go next. One. Really?
Yes.
Oh, fucking hell.
We are in this together. All three of us are together.
Yeah, do it together. Okay. Here we go. Meow. Brr, brr.
Okay. All right. I feel it.
Do you feel better now? You feel better?
Just a bit.
Yeah, we are KRISIS.